For those of you who require a temporary resident visa, having someone in Canada that can invite you is certainly a way to strengthen your application. If you have an inviter in Canada who wants to help support your temporary resident visa application, a good way to do so would be to submit an invitation letter. Now, an invitation letter should contain certain details about the inviter as well as the applicant that should be reflected in the documentation provided. So a few key things you want to consider when drafting an invitation letter is first introducing who the inviter is and what their connection is to the applicant. The inviter should also provide some basic personal information like address, employment information, and family size. This will help demonstrate that they have the ability to take care of the applicant while they are in Canada. Further, if the inviter is interested in supporting the applicant financially or is offering them room and board, this should also be indicated in the invitation letter. Once you have drafted the invitation letter, make sure that the information included is accurately demonstrated throughout the application. So for example, if the person that is inviting you is a Canadian citizen or permanent resident, you should include a copy of their status document to demonstrate this. If this person is offering the applicant financial support, they should include a copy of their bank statement or notice of assessment, for example, that help demonstrates their funds available. At the same time, if this is a family member, it might be wise to include personal identification documents that shows the familial connection, for example, a birth certificate. Keep in mind that whenever you are submitting an application to CIC, you want to make sure that the information throughout all matches up. An invitation letter, as mentioned, is a strong way to help support an application for a temporary resident visa. Thanks very much for joining us, and check out some of our other great informational videos.